Thank you for watching another video. Ow! I actually hit my leg really bad.
At least you know it's good quality.
What's up, guys? You're watching another video. Before we get into today's vlog, we're gonna throw on the new plate frame on the R8. I already put it on the F80, but I gotta put it on the R8 too. Which, these are coming out this Sunday, September 7th, guys. All the new merch is dropping. It's a huge merch drop. 2 new t-shirts, 2 new jet tags. These ones right here. We got this on this side, and we got this. Oh. And this on this side. So 2 new jet tags, 2 new t-shirts, sticker packs, skateboard decks, air fresheners, license plate frame. It's a huge merch drop. All dropping on Sunday, September 7th. But if you want to get it early, September 6th at Beamer Invasion, which we will be revealing my G80 wrap there as well. There's a lot going on this weekend, bro. It's Beamer Invasion, it's my G80 wrap reveal, color reveal, and a new merch drop. All happening within the same day. So very stressful, guys, but don't forget September 7th merch drop. But if you want to get it early, come to Beamer Invasion September 6th, get the new merch in person. Come meet me, come say what's up, and see the G80 in person. It's gonna be a very stressful weekend, but I am so excited to show you guys the new color and all the new merch. Like I said, this is all gonna be available at Beamer Invasion, and whatever is left is what's gonna go on the website the following day. So I recommend you guys pull up to Beamer Invasion and just get the merch in person. I can sign it too and all that good stuff. Sorry, BBS, but I didn't get the wheels for free, so. Although I'm not sponsored by BBS at all, I love the brand, bro. So that's why I did a BBS plate frame. But we gotta throw on the new Live Fast one.
I love this one with the little sparkle.
Yeah, this is crazy. All right, plate frame.
Oh wait, I zoomed all the way in. Sorry.
What? Plate frame is on. Now Josephine's favorite part, the cold start.
No.
She hates it.
No.
Why?
I'm scared. I'm scared. No, I don't want to be back here.
Okay, you started.
Oh my gosh, I thought that said Live Fast.
Oh, that would be sick if we do make it say Live Fast on. Okay. There you go.
I've never started this car before, guys.
So brake and then just push the start button.
Hey, it's so far away.
She can't reach the pedals.
Wait. Oh.
Oh my God. I can feel my brakes rattling. We gonna get kicked out. Now that the car's so clean, I don't even want to drive it. I haven't driven it since David came and detailed it. Look, we got the tire shine, the wheels are spotless. It makes me not want to drive the car when the car is so clean, guys.
I was gonna take off, guys. I was ready to go. I just didn't know how to move. I didn't know how to put it in drive. Oh my gosh, it smells like gas. Gasolina. Look at all that glitter.
Yes, guys, all my cars, every passenger seat, all the leather's fully glittered because of Josephine. Fun fact though, this car did have glitter before from the previous owner and Josephine got mad. You remember that?
Oh, I didn't get mad.
And we found the condom in the box, remember? Good thing I found that and Josephine didn't, because she would have been, whoo!
Yeah.
She would not believe me, guys.
Yeah, there's glitter on the, no.
The previous owner left some things in here and some glitter.
It is true, because right when it came off the truck, there was glitter on the seat.
Yeah.
So that's
his
how I
girlfriend
know.
for sure wore glitter too.
She's a baddie.
Sorry for all the boring talk in the beginning. I just want to remind you guys and all the crazy things that's about to happen this weekend, because a lot is happening this weekend, bro. I cannot wait. I can't wait to meet everybody at Beamer Invasion. Do not be nervous to come say hi, guys. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna have the Finding Nick booth. Come say what's up. Come talk to me. Come have a conversation. Come check out the whips. It's gonna be fun. Everyone's gonna be there too. All the homies you see in the vlogs, everybody is gonna be there, bro. Today, I was trying to think of what can we film? What can I vlog today? I need to post a video. And there's something we have not done on the channel, guys. Josephine has driven almost every car that I've owned. I think every car. You've driven the Vet, which is crazy. You've driven...
I think that's my favorite car too, guys.
Really?
It is. I think it is.
She's literally learned how to drive manual in my cars.
Started from the F80. You taught me how to drive manual in the F80.
The Z.
Oh, the Z.
Remember? So,
then the F80.
Then the F80.
Then the G80, and then the Corvette.
Yeah. You've driven all the cars.
Yeah.
But the one car she hasn't driven is the R8. So today, she's gonna drive the R8, which I'm very scared. It's the most expensive car that she's gonna drive. The most expensive car in my fleet.
Don't worry.
And we'll see what happens. It's also very loud. I'm not even that scared of you driving it because it drives very normal. Like, it's like a normal car at the end of the day. It's just an Audi, nothing crazy. But the fact that it's so loud, I don't want her to get pulled over.
We're gonna take this on the road?
Yes, and with the tune that it has on it, I have to like make it not shoot flames. Like, it just shoots flames all the time. So I know how to drive it without it like popping if there's a cop behind me, but she doesn't. So hopefully, if the cop gets behind you, you don't make it pop on accident. Honestly, I think the best way to do it, because usually when I let her drive my cars, we go to somewhere quiet, behind the warehouse where there's no cars or anything. I think we're just gonna full send it and throw her on the street. So, you ready? Woo! Throw you on the street? Look how clean the car is, dude. It looks insane. I just hope Josephine drives safe right now because I want this car to go back home in one piece. And the lip, hopefully, in one piece too. But damn, bro, this car is insane. Oh my God, I didn't even tell them. I don't want to tell them completely, but we might have dropped a bag on the R8, guys. That's all I'm gonna say. Hopefully within the next couple weeks, we have one of the craziest mods I've ever done in my entire life. I cannot wait, bro. It's gonna be crazy. All right, Justin, you might have to back up real quick. This is person. Put the brake. Put the brake. Put the brake. Yeah, she didn't care. All right, never mind. You're good.
I'm just moving my mirrors, making sure I'm safe, everybody. Everybody in the neighborhood is watching us, if you were wondering.
Hold on, you're going already? Oh my God, wait.
What?
Wait.
Well, you had to prepare yourself? I thought I was ready to go.
I actually have anxiety letting you drive this right now. No one's driven it really.
I feel like I should get out of the way of this driveway though.
You're good.
Bae, I was gonna say, guys, he's so nervous, I can't even do like normal things that a normal person would do.
I'm scared. I'm literally terrified right now. Anyways, about the mod, just stay tuned, guys. Next couple weeks, we should be installing it, and it's gonna be crazy. Like, literally one of the craziest cars in the world. It's like a dream come true, bro. Are you ready? People probably trip out seeing you drive this right now. Like, they're probably like, there's no way
I wanna see what it looks like
she's driving. Look at.
Hey guys.
That's manual.
You know, honestly,
what? There, that's auto.
I think you could have picked, actually you couldn't have picked a worse spot because this looks really hard to get out of.
It looks sketch, and it's very busy right now. We came out like prime traffic time, so there's gonna be a lot of cars on the street.
You're expecting me to turn left here?
No, you can go straight.
Oh, okay.
But there's a dip, so you gotta go. Oh my God.
No. It's alright.
No, it's not.
All right.
Okay, go this way, and like you're gonna angle that way.
Like this.
More?
Well, now we're in the other lane.
This thing about low cars, we go in the other lane.
Okay, now what?
I go. We go at angle.
Like this?
Yep. Perfect. Woo, perfect. All right. Is that a dip too? This car is very low.
Now what? To the left?
No, you're good. Just go. You should be good. Oh my God, dude. All right, we off to a good start. You're gonna get onto the freeway right there. Trust her driving the CS. She's driven the CS all by herself before. Like, she's literally taking it to a. Yeah. She's literally taking it to a hair appointment or whatever, right?
Oh my gosh, in a city, you guys. I'm just so glad Nick was not with me when I did that. The city's so far away. It was in West Covina.
And the roads weren't the best or what?
All I'm saying, that parking situation was sketchy.
And at the time, I think I had a lip on it.
It did.
So you did it somehow.
I went to Starbucks. You guys, I've taken that CS everywhere. I feel like whenever Nick's with me, it's like a dad. You know when like you're driving with your dad?
Yeah.
First learning how to drive, that's how I feel.
Yeah, I feel like when you're by yourself, it's probably less stressful.
Oh yeah.
All right. Well, this car, I'm just.
For sure.
This car, I'm just very paranoid. Like, it's very
I've
sensitive,
taken
guys.
this car by myself before.
Hell
and
no.
It's so, like, windows down, music up.
We should have just took the street, Josephine. Oh my God, dude. I can't believe we're going on the freeway right now.
Oh, I can.
Oh my God.
It's not even manual. Like, it's such an easy car.
Hell no.
You just worry because it's expensive, but like, look at me.
Honestly, I'm more worried about other people. Like, I'm literally always worried about other people hitting me. This makes it even scarier. Oh my God. Josephine?
You guys don't understand.
Oh my God, please be careful.
What?
Oh my God.
Wait.
What?
Okay, you need to stop. Like, why are you are doing too much, I think.
I think you have to go all the way to the left.
Okay. Well, I was doing that until you said, oh my God.
This is so scary, dude.
All the way to the left? Why?
Because we have to go on that freeway, the straight one. Would you guys let your girlfriend drive your Audi R8? Comment down below and let me know.
Yes.
With BBS's, $10,000 wheels, by the way.
I would let my girlfriend drive my R8 100%. This is the thing that's so funny is that I love my pink car as much as Nick loves his R8.
Yeah.
So like I drive like this in my car. I would never let anything happen in my car.
Okay, hopefully. All the way.
car. Be careful of wets.
I'm scared, dude.
Is this how you guys feel when your girlfriend is like scared you're gonna hit another car and you're like, I'm a million miles away?
Yeah,
from
now I
that
know how
car.
you feel being the passenger. What you could do is you could downshift. Wanna try that?
Sure.
You remember how to downshift? Let's see if you remember.
You have paddles?
Yep. Try one.
Downshift is down, so press the minus.
Yeah, so let go
At the same time
you
as
can,
the gas?
You can let go of the gas. Alright, downshift again. One more time.
Wait, but this car just coming off. Aren't you supposed to like take off after that?
Yeah.
That's what you do. I hear it go "Brr, brr, brr," like that.
Do it again. Now go fast.
Oh my god.
Go, go, go. Oh, it's a Ferrari.
Oh, hell.
Look at a Ferrari, guys. Josephine!
What am I supposed to do?
It's shooting flames! Let go! Go, 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 step on it! All the way! Oh! Okay, okay, okay.
Oh my god, we're taking this thing out. Where are we going?
Just keep going straight, keep going straight. Oh! So that's how you do it. You let off when you go under the bridge right? Oh, I didn't do it. I learned how to like time it. Like every time you get underneath, I let off. And it does it.
No, I've learned how to cover my ears. That's when it's gonna happen.
Try under here. Ready?
I get pretty good at this.
Is it fun? How was it though? Fun?
Yeah.
It is pretty fun, huh?
This is so easy. What were you stressed for?
I know, honestly, the RA is very, very easy to drive, guys. It's a very comfortable car. That's why a lot of people do prefer this over like the Huracan, because it's more comfortable. The speakers are better, the seats are more comfortable, the ride quality is more comfortable. The Huracan is just like a race car, you know? Anyone can drive it. It's very, very simple to drive. It's automatic. Josephine.
There's no way to stop that? Oh my god, I'm not doing it. That's your car. That's the important.
But you see what I mean? You gotta like somehow not make it shoot flames. Alright, be careful.
There's absolutely nobody.
Wait till there's nobody. Try to angle a little bit like that. Perfect. She does know how to angle, I'm not gonna lie. She's learned that before.
Yeah, because I'm scared my life will be over if I ruin
You
the
break
lip.
the lip?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot!
Whoa. That made my feet tingle.
Oh, there's a cop up ahead somewhere. Be careful. Look at the guys looking at you. They're probably tripping out seeing you drive. Really step on the gas, alright? Like, slam your foot on the floor. Oh!
Whoa. Oh my god. Wow.
How was that?
I would love to drive this thing to Monterey. I'm telling you, this is so fun.
You see why I want to drive this car all the time?
This is so fun.
Oh, yeah, go.
Right here, this one.
Go, go, go.
I'm like having so much fun at the same time I'm sweating.
I know.
Like my leg, you don't understand. I could slip off of this because I'm stressed at the same time.
Why?
The cops, you.
You know what it is? I think the car, it gives you adrenaline when you drive cars like that. You get that adrenaline, you start shaking, you're like, whoa. That's how I feel. When I drive like a fast car, I'm like, oh shoot, my legs are shaking.
I need to help. Woo! I felt just like you.
Dude, okay, I think we're done.
I'm getting a little too
You're getting a
comfortable.
little carried away. There's actually a lot of cops on the street, so we gotta be a little quiet. I'll put it in the quietest mode possible.
Oh my god, there's a cop right there,
Where?
Nicholas.
Where?
Right there. Look at my finger.
There is a cop. I told you there's always cops on the street.
You jinxed it. It's fine. I feel the most comfortable in this car.
Really?
Sure. Yeah.
It's also because it's automatic. I keep throwing you in into the manual cars, like the G80.
Normally when he has me drive the manual cars, I'm stressed. Like, it's horrible.
Hey, but you do a good job though. Like you've learned how to drive manual, like completely.
Yeah, that's like a skill. That's like
it's crazy. Yeah, not a lot of.
I love that I know that.
I would say not a lot of girls know how to drive manual, but not a lot of guys even know how to drive manual. You know that? Like a lot of my friends don't know how to drive manual, and you do.
Wow.
There's no way.
I feel bad. I feel bad for everybody we just passed by.
Alright, somehow we have survived that. The lip is still in one piece, the car's in one piece, the wheels aren't curved. I'm joking, she did a really good job. This car is very easy and simple to drive, so I knew she could do it. It's just very loud. And every time I drive this thing, I have to be like on the lookout for any cops and stuff like that, because it is very freaking loud in person. If you guys have heard my car in person, you guys know what I'm talking about. It's loud. A little sketchy, but she did it. There's also a lot of cars on the freeway, or else we would keep going, but I don't want nothing to happen. Tomorrow, I pick up my G80 from being wrapped, which I can't show you guys that video yet. That video is probably gonna come out this weekend when I drop the reveal, obviously. But tomorrow, I'm gonna go to Premium, pick up the car. I'll be able to see the G80 for the first time, which I am excited for. I cannot wait to see the new color. And yeah, I haven't filmed much this week, but I've been kind of just preparing for Beamer Invasion, guys. A lot of setting up to do and a lot of planning, especially when you're trying to have your own booth there and take 2 cars, scheduling car washes, scheduling all the merch, making sure all the merch is here on time. It is a lot, bro, but we're gonna get it done. Also, I think Thursday, we're gonna go put a new lip on this thing at Beamer Plug, so stay tuned for that. This car's gonna look so much better with the front lip. I feel like once you put the lip on, I'm gonna fall in love with this car all over again. This car is also so clean. Look, no brake dust at all. It's so nice when these wheels are actually white. But yes, Thursday, I'm gonna go to Beamer Plug, get a new front lip. I think Hugo's coming with me, so that's gonna be a fun vlog. I think Jake Schnatter's coming for Beamer Invasion. We're gonna make a video with him. Chris Borges is coming. I'm gonna make a video with him. A lot of content, bro, this weekend for Beamer Invasion. I cannot wait. Literally all your favorite car YouTubers, all your favorite BMW builds online. It's gonna be fun.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.